In today's video, I'll teach you how to reorder Instagram carousels after posting. So first of all, open the Instagram application. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see all of your posts over here. Find the post where you want to reorder the carousel. Once you do that, tap on it. Now you'll be able to see that particular post over here. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of that particular post. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the edit option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to edit this post over here. So simply long press on the image or video that you would like to reorder. Now you'll be able to edit the post. What you have to do is long press on the video or photo that you would like to reorder. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to move it. So simply place it according to your preferred order. Do the same for other photos and videos too. Now once you're done, tap on the right icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here the Instagram carousels has been reordered. So that is how you reorder Instagram carousels after posting. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.